Hi, my name is Jesse Sims, and I'm the Library Technology Specialist with the Buckeye Public Library System. And today we're going to talk about how to access the Ancestry database remotely. Previously, you could only access it from within the library. However, since our physical locations are currently closed, we set up access so you could get it from your home or wherever you're located. So let's get started. So we're going to start here on our catalog page, buckeye.polarislibrary.com. In the upper right corner, we click Log In, and then we're going to put in our barcode and our PIN. Mine are already entered, so I'm going to click Log In. And on the left-hand side of the screen, I have different links. And if I scroll down, I have a link for Ancestry Library Remote Access. And when I click that, I can now access Ancestry Library from my home. All right, I hope this tutorial was useful, and we look forward to seeing everyone back at the libraries when we're able to reopen our physical locations. Thank you.